a doctor in Kolebu perform a heart surgery when he hasn't been trained to be a cardiologist?
So it's absolutely crucial.
Do you think you can have a lawyer practice in court in front of the bench and he is not called to the bar?
Well, along that line, we have instances where individuals have read the law for themselves and defended themselves without a lawyer.
No, the court allows you to go to court without a lawyer.
Yeah.
But you can't go to court and hold yourself out to be a lawyer.
A lawyer, right.
You go to jail. It's criminal. It's impersonation.
You think that's a contributing factor to what we're
And
seeing?
this problem, listen, I'm putting it on record. When President Akufo-Addo appointed the board back in 2017, or no, his second term, I wrote to him personally to tell him, I sent a copy to his office myself. I sent a copy to the Council of State. I sent a copy to Parliament, to the Speaker. And I wrote to him to point out that he's in violation of two acts, 663 and 651. 651 is labor law, 663 Procurement Act as amended. And I pointed out to him that there is a provision in the act that says that the chairman should be qualified, competent, and experienced. And I quoted the definitions of both from Black's Law Dictionary. For someone to be defined as competent, he should have been trained and examined and possibly licensed. For someone to be experienced, he should have held the job and done it. So you can't call yourself a procurement person when you haven't been examined, you haven't gone to school, and you haven't held a title, a job that requires that you practice procurement.
While that is crucial, Afenyo-Markin was just saying that the man said it's some sort of laid down procedure. It's what he came to meet.
It's a practice.
So, yeah.
It doesn't make it right. So you see, the problem is that I said it here with Samson on Newsfile some time back, that if a fish will rot, it starts from the head. If the composition of the board that was supposed to regulate the practice is defective, you shouldn't be surprised that this will happen. So your chairman at the time, Professor Ameyaw-Akumfi, distinguished academic, he's a zoologist par excellence. He was a deputy minister, or he was a minister of education. He was, by virtue of being a minister of education, he's the head of procurement entity. And that is his only experience to procurement.